And now we're just arriving into the end of the street, and I believe this is the start or the beginning of the temple. Behind it is where the Golden Temple is. Very beautiful space. Prince was mentioning to me, because like I was wondering like why there are so many people covering their head, even though they're not putting like the sea turban. They're putting just like a scarf or a bandana. And apparently we need to cover our heads, even the men of course, to enter the temple. So we're looking for a scarf now to buy, and yeah, it's a great souvenir. Let's get some of those scarves there.
More like this kind of bandana or that kind of thing, which is specifically for tying.
Oh, that's like on the head. No, we can get one of those.
You can do for multiple. You can put it on your face or so. That is only for head.
Yeah, let's do one of those. But something like something local, bro. Not UK flag. I'm not doing a UK flag. I want something local. I'm in India. Yeah, this is good, no? Ah, it's got the brand as well, Golden Temple. I like it. How much is it?
20.
20. Can you do 20? 20. Can you do 20 for both? Oh, you paid? Thanks.
Anything else?
Did you negotiate?
No, I know the best prices.
You know the prices. You see.
I already know what's the
You see,
price.
he knew the prices, so he didn't bother negotiate. For me, I would have negotiated for this, but he already knew. It's a fair price, right?
Yeah.
It's fair price is okay. Right, let's put this on our heads.
They're hold it and you wear it.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, man. So we're gonna keep it in the middle like that.
Yeah. You're doing good. Just tie a note, that's it.
That's right.
So many that.
Oh, missed it. No, I missed it.
Let me try it first. He'll help you.
Oh, I got assistance. I got assistance there. Good? Okay. Acha. Thank you. Good, how are you?
I'm fine.
कैसा हो?
Sir, how are you?
ठीक है. अच्छा.
Sir, born?
Ireland. Ireland. I say Ireland, he says English. Ireland, bro. Oh, look at this, man. It's so beautiful. Yes. Yes. YouTube channel is Mo Draj. I love it. All right, we're set to enter the temple. Well, we'll check now with the camera, with the filming. Yeah, we have to take off our shoes then, and then we'll see if we're able to film or not. But we'll make it happen. I mean, we filmed border crossing and all. Come on, we can film temples. Come on, we can make it happen.